It's a rare occasion today. Al Cox here today. So today we're gonna be kicking you right back to algebra. I'm just trying to give the fans what they want. Your body is a temple. You treat it as such. Back to the geometry lesson though. So when you're trying to square your deck, pull from one end, mark a 6-foot line, and mark 8 foot. And then I pull from his line to mine, and if it comes out to 10, we're pretty square. So when we're running that 6, 8, 10 trick, that is a multiple of 3, 4, 5, which comes out as a right triangle when you're trying to figure out your square of your deck. So any multiple of 3, 4, 5 will work. And this has been Decks with Dan. Cut. Nature makes it interesting, you know, because you get to see all kinds of things. Like that right there. That's an aspen tree. You can tell because of the way it is.